In this video, I'm going to show you how you can find your email on your TikTok account. So if you have a TikTok account, but you have forgotten the email that you used to log in, then TikTok allows you to go ahead and see your email. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. So the first thing you need to do is to go ahead and log into your TikTok account. And because you can't remember your email, go ahead and log in using your username. Once you are in your account, head over to profile, and this will enable this menu bar. From the menu, go ahead and click on settings and privacy, and then go to account under this account option. From this, you should see account information. Go ahead and choose it. And finally here, you can see your email. So if you tap on it, TikTok will not display the full email. However, you'll be given a hint of the first and the last letter of your email. Using these details, you should be able to recall your email. So that's how you can see or find your forgotten email on TikTok. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.